Hi, so you're thinking about getting into paint polishing, but you don't know where to start. So many different machines and pads and polishes out there. What works best together? Well, stay tuned because we're going to go over a great combo next. Hi, I'm Todd Cooperrider. Welcome to the Esoteric channel. We are here to help you take all of the frustration, cost, and time out of trying to figure out what's going to work best together to give you the best results. And what we have here is what we call our one-step kit. And this features the Rupes LHR21 MKIII machine. It's the latest machine that they have available, and it is the biggest throw machine. I'll get into some of those details next. But when I was starting out in detailing, you didn't really have any kind of information available as to what works with what. You had resellers out there that would just package some stuff together, but they weren't necessarily detailers doing it for a living to figure out what's going to work best. You're buying all kinds of different pads. You're buying all kinds of different polishes. You're testing different things, this paint versus that paint. Next thing you know, you've got 10 different types of polishes at anywhere from $20 to $50 a bottle. You spend a lot of money. You spend a lot of time trying to figure out what works best. And you have a big inventory of stuff that you may or may not ever use again. So what we have done here, we have done all of that testing for you. We have narrowed all of that down to figure out what is going to be the best combination, provided that you have the right techniques with it, to give you the best results without having to waste your time and money on products that just don't work as well. Here at Esoteric, we've been working with systems and techniques for years and years, trying to find out what works best together. And that's what we've done here to provide you is ease of use system that you're going to get maximum results with. Now here when we talk one-step, a one-step polish is just that. You're using one type of pad, one type of polish, and it's going to get all your medium to light level defects out of the paint. It's not something that you're going to go for heavy defects. That gets into compound, and that is the next level up in techniques. Particularly if you're a newer detailer or somebody starting out, one step is what you're going to do most of. So like I said, what we have is the LHR21 MKIII, and then we've got a couple of different Rupes pads to choose from. You're going to choose either from yellow, which is the polishing pad, or the white, which is a finishing pad. In most cases, the yellow pad is what you're going to want to use. It has the most range in terms of cut and finish. It's going to work best on most paint types. And then finally, you've got your polish. In the kit, you get a choice between two different sizes. The same one, Sonax Perfect Finish, made in Germany. The nice thing about this polish, it has a wide range of cut and finish. If you're talking about highest level cut, highest level finish, most polishes only operate up in this range. Well, with Perfect Finish, you get a lot of cut and a really fine finish out of it. So you can use this as a finishing polish in a two-step process, or you can use it as an intensive one-step in this kit here. Also, we have provided 5 of our highest quality microfiber towels because you want to make sure when you're wiping polish from the finish that you're not causing any kind of marring on it. So here you've got it, complete setup. With the 21, it has the larger backing plate, which calls for the larger pads. This is what we call the 6-inch pad. On the LHR15, it's got a smaller throw, 15 millimeter versus 21, and it utilizes the 5-inch backing plate where you use the 5-inch pads. This, if you're doing big surfaces, one-step polishes, this will be fantastic. If you're going to be working on a lot of smaller surfaces or cars that have a lot more contours in small areas, you might want to look at the LHR15 kit that we'll link at the end of this video here. But you've got the complete kit, you get your choice of pads, you get your choice of sizes on the polish, everything that you need to do paint correction at a very high level. Speaking of, next videos that we're going to link you to, one is how to get the most out of a one-step polishing, showing you some techniques, and the other is going to be a video on the LHR15 kit. It's the same basic kit with a different machine, so you can compare it.